Imagine building a house, not with heavy machines, not with large bricks, but with tools so small they almost fit inside your hand. Today, we are building a tiny miniature house from the ground up. Everything in this build is small, but every step still matters, because even the smallest structures need careful planning. And by the end of this video, this empty surface will slowly transform into a complete tiny home. Let's begin. First, the surface needs to be prepared carefully. A strong foundation is always the first step. Even miniature houses follow the same rules as real construction. Because without a stable base, nothing can stand for long. At this tiny scale, precision becomes even more important. Every small adjustment changes the final result. So each movement needs to be slow, steady, and accurate. Now the layout starts to take shape. Careful markings define where each wall will rise. At first, it may not look like much, but this is where every successful build begins. Slowly. The first structure starts appearing. Now the smallest bricks begin to take their place. Each brick is positioned carefully, one by one, layer by layer. The walls slowly begin to rise. Watching miniature walls grow like this is one of the most satisfying parts of the process, because something simple slowly becomes something real. And as more bricks are added, the shape of the house becomes clearer. The structure begins to feel balanced. The walls begin to stand stronger. And the tiny house starts looking more realistic. At this stage, every small detail matters even more. Even a tiny mistake can change the final look. So patience becomes the most important tool in this entire build. Now the walls are almost complete. And this is the moment when the project finally starts feeling alive. Next come the windows. Even a tiny house needs sunlight. Even a tiny house needs fresh air. Carefully placing these small openings makes the structure look natural